Today I want to teach you about the new YouTube. Like I'd always say, this channel is dedicated to my Nigerian guys who are struggling with technical things. Okay, if you got a problem, you got something you want me to teach you, just leave a comment below and I will give you that tutorial. Alright, having said that, please subscribe to my channel so that every time I come live you would get a notification. Today I want to teach you about the new YouTube. YouTube is rebranding and everything is changing. Alright, so I just want to show you a few things that might look new to you. So this is new YouTube. So if you got your channel, you go here. This is my channel, RTM TECH NAIJA. If you go to your channel, this is what you would see. Okay, these are the videos we have here for now. And then if you come here to the subscribe, customize channel, now you're going to find a lot of things new here. Like here you have a new way to customize your channel. Now we used to have an old layout where you have some things by this corner, but right now everything is embedded here. Customize your channel. So here in the layout, this is where you add your channel your channel trailer. Here is where you add your featured video or subscribers for your featured video for your returning subscribers or your new subscribers. You add that here. If you don't know what any of these things mean, just leave a comment. I'll do a video to explain in depth. I just believe that you already know what that is. All right, now your featured section that used to be at this corner, if you can see my mouse, it used to be at your right hand corner where you have other channels that you featured in your channel. Now they appear below. So this is the new layout. This new layout is going to be enforced from the 15th of October, but for now you can still see your old layout. And then here you have the branding. Okay, I hope you know what branding is all about. If you don't, leave a comment below. I'll do a video for you. And here you have your basic info. You can see this is a fresh channel. We are building it, and as you guys ask your questions, I would know what to add so that you see how it's done. Thank you very much. It's just a quick one to just let you know about what's going on with YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you can receive notification every time that we have a new upload. Thank you, and see you in the comment section. You leave a comment, you get the video for what you requested for. Thank you, and God bless you.